You know when you buy a bunch of cars all the time and you buy too many that you accidentally order duplicates? That's exactly what happened when I bought a bunch of rubber tyre cars which I didn't have carded, and I bought an extra crusty rotor vinyl Toupee one. So you know what, today I'm actually going to open this one up, and yeah, because I've got a second one, so why the heck not? What is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the synthetic rubber tyres version of vinyl Toupee crusty rotor. So yeah, here we can see the very nice Cars 1 packaging with Lightning McQueen, the King and Chick Hicks. The vinyl Toupee logo, I love how they added the logos on the side of every single packaging. We've got the car here, which we'll take a close look at in a few minutes here. Name tag, very nice stuff. What are cars? And I absolutely love this type of packaging because you can see the other side of the car, so you know if you had any errors, which was a very, very nice bonus indeed. And you can see mattycollector.com, which is still a site, but I don't think you could buy, exclusive cars from there anymore, made by Mattel. So yeah, I'll be right back with this guy all out of the packaging. So yeah, here we have the rubber tyre version of crusty rotor all out of the packaging, as we can see via the base here with the rubber tyres. We do have this little pan flip here, which shows you some other cars that were released in the year. So if I can open it up now, we can see some lenticular versions, like Chick Hicks, the King, Lightning McQueen, DJ Boost and Wingo, a Lightning Ramone, which I don't actually ever think had that expression, like with the closing eyes. I think it was moving eyes. And on the back we could just see some other cars like Mater, Sally, Reddit, Springs McQueen, Kathy Copter, Ron Hover, Dexter Hoover with flag, Dinoco McQueen, and Tex Dinoco. So yeah, pretty cool little pamphlet here, little checklist, which is very nice. They used to come in every single package, but yeah, the main feature is the vinyl Toupee. So yeah, very nice stuff. This is your basic vinyl Toupee piston cup racer, just that he's made from China, and he has rubber tyres. So yeah, the logo 76, the other logo on the back there, looks really nice. Vinyl Toupee, she'll never notice. 76, pretty cool stuff. And yeah, on the base you can see the rubber tyres. Trying to do this one-handed now is not the easiest, just to prove that these are the rubber tyres. God, this is really difficult. You can just about see there, yep, they're the rubber tyres, so very nice indeed. And this is the China version of vinyl Toupee with the raised eyes, so they both have raised eyes, but this one has plastic tyres and released in 2007/2008. I just need the flat eyes version. And then we have the Thailand version here, so I have pretty much all the versions of crusty rotor available except for the flat eyes version, which is quite hard to get hold of. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. We know where he appeared in the movie. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Let's get to 17,500 subscribers very soon. Till then, peace everybody.